Welcome to Maths World YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment my YouTube channel to get new and innovative content about maths. So guys, today we will discuss question number 2 of the exercise 3.2, that's the same the question that we discussed in the previous video. On this, numerical values are changed. Theory and the concept is same. Y proportional x directly proportional, and x is equals to 3 and y is equal to 7. So we are going to find in terms of x and y the required values. So first of all, as we did in the previous video, we are going to find the solution. And for the solution, firstly find the value of k. For that, y proportional x, now y is equals to kx and k is equals to y over x. So what is the value of y? 7 by 3. This is your value of k. Now find other values, like part number 1. You are having the same equation. Now y is equals to kx, and you're going to see what values are. X is not, and y is equals to 35. So 35 is this, and this k would be 7 by 3, and x to be find. So guys, what you can do, 35 will be multiplied by 3, and what will happen, and divided by 7, you will get 35 multiplied by 3 and divided by 7. So what, 7 1s are 7 and 7 5s are 35, and 5 3s are 15. So this is the value of x. Second, in this you have to find y value, and x is 18. So y is equals to kx. So k is 7 by 3 and this is 18. So 3 1s are 3, 3 6 are 18. So x is equal to 42. So these are the required values. Now question number 2 we have done. So now the third question, that is also on the base of this question. So now let's start that question number 3. Only the numerical values would be changed, no concept is the same. So now write the values. That is part number 3 is r proportional t. Given is r proportional t, and r is 5 and t is 8. Now part 1 and part 2 will be r and t same. So r is equals to 5 and t is equals to 64, and now t is equals to 5 and r is equals to 20. So now let's start it. Start solving this question also. Find the value of k. What is the value of k? You're going to find it. R proportional t, r is equals to kt. K is a constant. When we remove the sign of proportionality and add the sign of equality, so we always put a constant. So this k is called a constant. So r by t, so we are going to find the value of k. R is 5 and t is 8, so this is k constant. Now same, r is equals to kt. Find the value of r. So k is 5 by 8, t 64. Understood? 8 1s are 8 8s are 64. 5 4s are 5 8s are 40. So this is r value. Then r is equals to kt. You are going to find the value of t. So r by k is equals to t. R is 20 and k is 5 by 8. So guys, for 5 by 8, what you can do, you can multiply it 8 by 5. You can reciprocate it. Okay. So 5 1s are 5, 5 4s are 20, 4 8s are 32 is equals to value of t. Now if you just see question number 4, question number 4 is also on the basis of this question, that all the things we did here that we have to do in that. So simply they have just changed a little, that I will tell you. The values would, there is only a value change because the method is same. We are just using the direct proportion in this also. So now let's start the fourth question. The required values, write the values that are r proportional t square, and r is equals to 8, t is equals to 3, and then required values would be r1 is okay. Required values. What can be the required values? You know, we have spoken 8 and 3. Now for value of r, they only give us one value. So that is r value we have to find, and t is 6. This one. No more values we have been taken or we have been asked to do. Okay. Now let's solve the question. And the question is r proportional t square, r is equals to kt square, and k is equals to r by t square. R is equals to 8 and t square with 3 square is equals to k. 8 by 3 3 is 9. K value. Now find the value of r. So now r is equals to kt square. So k value is 8 by 9 and t is 6. 6 square. 8 by 9 and 36. So 9 ones are 9 and 9 fours are 36. So it would be equals to 32. This is the value of r. Now if we just see question number 5. So that is also on the direct variation. Now let's solve that part also, because you know that is also on direct variation. So in this that question, they only just changed the, there we had a square and in this we will have a cube. So I'll write the value, then you will understand. V proportional r cube, and V is equals to 5. R is equals to 3. Now you're going to find the value of R and V is 6 to 5. Okay. In this way you're going to find it. Okay girls, find the question. Very easy parts, and this is actually all I'm solving with you, that is on direct variation. So let's start this, and you will get V is equals to k r cube and k is equals to V by r cube. V is equals to 5 and r is equals to 3 cube equals to k. So 5 by 27 is equals to k. So value of r we are going to find. So V is equals to r cube. So we can write V by k and equals to r cube. Or and if you just write it r, so you can put here cube 3 here. Okay. So what is V here? That is 6 to 5. And value of k you can write here 27 by 5 like this. And you just put cube root, and this is r. So how can you solve it? In this simple method, what you're going to do is you will do it 5 on the 5, and how much become 5 on the 5, and when you the 2 and 5 are 10 and 5 5 are 25, and 25 125 until 11 27. So all this factor would be equals to, when you multiplying 125 and into 27, you will get 3375 equals to r. And you know when the cube would be there, so this is actually equals to 15 cube, third cube root and r. So you will get 15 is equals to r. So don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment my YouTube channel to get new and innovative content about maths. And if you have any queries, you may ask in the comment section.